Disaster Day provides us with that opportunity to be able to bring all professions together in a unique form where they can learn, they can help triage, evaluate, assess, and treat. I want students to be engaged, to be much more informed than they were before.
Today was a big, big adrenaline rush. I mean, it was like, it felt real. Like the actors were amazing. Like it felt like real life.
There are two primary theater-related things that are necessary for the disaster day to commence. Obviously, the first one is the actors. And the second is makeup, which is, kind of like traumatic injuries, like lots of blood, lots of gore.
This exercise helps us in higher stakes situations be able to act and react in an intense atmosphere.
We've partnered with dozens of local agencies to help pull this event off, to help train them and give them an experience that they're not going to be able to say they could have found anywhere else.
We would triage patients. We saw patients who we needed to gather their care urgently, whether that was a hemorrhagic shock. They had a spinal cord injury. So prioritizing their safety was the number one thing.
I think the major takeaways of this experience is knowing that we work as a team, and I think team communication plays a big role in saving patients' lives. I just love helping people. I think it's beautiful being there for someone in their most vulnerable moments of life.